bet you've guessed from the title of this video that I am discussing how to make a siren sound effect in GarageBand for iOS. There is a couple of ways what I have discovered. First is to go to Synth Leads and select one you like, get the keyboard mode to pitch, then slide your press on note what you want for the lower note of the siren, slide your finger up, keep it there, then slide it down, and it will sound like a real siren. And the other way what I've discovered is to go to strings, any string set will do, then make sure it is on notes. Press where you want the bass note of the siren to be, then it's virtually the same process as with the synth leads. Right, I'm going to include in now some demos of the siren sounds you can make in GarageBand for iOS. And I will include some detailed descriptions of how I do that and whatever when they are necessary. If you have any questions, video requests or anything like that, put them in the comments down below. And make sure to smash that like button because it's a real help to me. Also, how about if you like the content on my channel, it'll be a great favour to you and a great favour to me if you subscribed and click the bell notification icon. Well, without further ado, let's get into the siren sounds. I only provided one example of a synth lead siren because as you heard, it was a bit, that one is not good, right? With some MIDI editing, you can do that, although that is a very, very advanced feature in GarageBand. So if you don't know how to use that, stick to the string sirens, and you can clearly tell which ones are the string sirens and which ones are the lead sirens. But if you can't, the very last one, what I demonstrated, was the lead siren. So as I said, I or anyone else just has to get the keyboard or the strings or whatever, press on the note what they want, yeah, make sure the keyboard mode is turned to pitch if you have to do that, then slide your finger up, then slide it in whatever way and just experiment until you get used to it if you have to. Then record your siren sounds. If you don't want to do it my way of pressing on it, sliding up, then sliding down, fine. Just depends on what type of siren you're creating, but it's still the same principles. Press on the note, and if you want it to fluctuate in pitch, just slide your finger up and down and let go and press on and whatever as you have to, right? So I hope this video has been helpful, and thanks for watching.